Peace and love, African family. Peace, love, and sunlight. This is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa. I'm there with
One Love Africa. If you know, it's a slogan, you know, representing for the Mother's Day event that's going to happen here, the 12th of May. So make sure you guys come out. Make sure you guys support limited seats.
Yeah.
We'll show you guys around. It's the Mother's Day edition. Limited seat, limited offer. It's going to be a dining experience. So take out your mother, your sister, your auntie, your niece, or your daughter, as long as she's a person who bring forth a child.
Yeah.
Show love and support and appreciation to the mothers then. So as a sister say, thank you mama for the 9 months you carry me through the pain and suffering. So a slogan representing for this Mother's Day event. One Love Africa, Jam Tour Africa, and it's going to be happening at Jam Rock, right at Westland. GW Brookside, GW Business Park, right here. As a see behind me, the Jamaican spot. So come out.
Pull up and pull it up. Yeah, family.
Man.
So, as you guys know, you guys know that when you come out to Mother's Day in Jamaica, you know what I mean? The place flooded up.
Yeah, man. Mother's Day here.
Yeah, man. So, we're going to bring the experience here in Kenya. And we're going to celebrate the mothers. You know what I mean? I'm going to bring my family. And then we have like 2 spots available. Because, you know what I mean? As this case, the seat inside there. It's just a test run still, but we want to celebrate it. Family.
First Mother's Day event at Jamrock.
Yeah.
So, first Mother's Day event at Jamrock. We're doing it.
Yeah.
I swear. Make sure you bring your mother out. You're here.
The slogan. So come, let's drop some Mother's Day song for them, no man.
You know what I'm saying? If you want the Mother's Day song, I have to go on my channel for watch that. But you can't watch it, no man. For mommy, me still love you. Same way. Although you're vexed because I am a gangster, I'm sorry to become a monster. Sorry to become a monster. Mommy, me still love you. So, you understand? So, there's more Mother's Day song you put out.
Yeah, man. Dear mama. Dear mama.
Say, thank you, mother, for the 9 months you carry me through the pain and suffering. So, that song that is from
Mama, me love you all the way from up above.
Yeah, man, buy your house and land and all car. What if I stand go?
Mama, you're my superstar. Mama, you're my star.
It's a whole for mother
So, bust a blank for your mother.
Lighter for your mother.
Big up all it, your family. So, you know, as you know, guys, you know what I mean, the Mother's Day, you know what I mean, experience will be at Jam Tours. Will be at Jamrock. You have to just see it yourself. You know what I mean, as Jam Tours are put on this event for my family, and then, you know what I mean, we're just going to put it out to the public to see if anyone will show up for the Mother's Day experience.
Wine.
Yeah.
Free wine. That is what we want to do. We want to get all our mothers them a glass of wine
roses.
with the meal.
Free roses.
Roses and wine. Remember, you know, record is here, aka slogan from One Love Africa. When we do event, you never miss. It always it. So I tell you, bring your mother, come out, and we might give them free wine. 1 glass of wine. All mothers who purchase meals.
Yeah.
So come out, get a meal special for your mother, dining experience under the candlelight right here at Jamrock.
Yeah. We're starting from maybe 2. From about 2. Yeah.
Afternoon.
2 p.m. 2 p.m. in the afternoon. You can pull out and come up at Jamrock family. So, you know what I mean? Like, share, and comment on the video. If you're a Jamaican,
going to be there in the house. We have dessert. Well, not free still, but we're going to have dessert. So you can have maybe a cake or cheesecake or something for the mothers to wish you happy Mother's Day. But all mothers, not guys. So all you guys watching this, do not come out and say, where's my cake? It's just for the ladies. And we got good music, good atmosphere. So we're going to show you guys around so you can see what the place is like, what's going to be for Mother's Day here.
Yeah, family. So like, share, and comment on this vlog, family, with our Jamrock. It's a Sunday evening, the place gloomy, but we're still there, and we're going to show you the dining experience. And what go on. So over here, so you can dine here, so. And then you have here, so, which is the kitchen area, family. That's the kitchen area. That's our lovely waitress. Say hi.
Hi.
Yeah. So tip her when you see her.
Tip the waitress. Don't mean. Inside.
And this is the bar experience, family. Nice spots. Alright family, like, share and comment on this video. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know when you pull up a Jamrock. Tell them Jam Tours send you. We out. One love. God bless. Continue watching this vlog. It's a Sunday evening at Jamrock. People are coming out to experience the Jamaican culture in Kenya. Peace and love, African family. Peace, love, and sunlight. This is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa family. And as you guys know, guys, we're putting on a Mother's Day. Jam Tours is putting on a special day to all African mom here in Kenya, the Jamaican style way. So I'm just gonna make a vlog, guys, to show you the entire process, what we've been doing, and how we're gonna actually plan for this event tomorrow. So today I'm here in my house with Miss Jam Tours, and you know, I promise to give you guys some some watermelon juice. You know, Jam Tours, you know, I always look to the healthier side, you know what I mean, and the better side, and you know what I mean, you know, anywhere where the side is good, I always look to that side. So, you know what I mean, I'll be putting on this event. First it was just like for my family, but I said I'm just opening up to the public and do this, guys. So Miss Jam Tours is here. She's getting the juicer ready. So I'll bring in the juicer up at Jamrock, and have some jars right there. She's packing the jars for my family. We have Amish porridge right here. We have some smoothie right here. We have some shilajit right here, and I have some thing right here. And then, guys, so you know what I mean. This is just the process. Mr. Jam Tour is doing it right there. I'm sure I'm gonna need more jars because we expect a lot of people to come out for this event. Come celebrate Mother's Day in Kenya with Jam Tours Africa family. So you know what I mean. Let's go. So what I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna go out, meet up with my Kenyan brother. We're gonna pick some callaloo from his farm. You know, callaloo is something in Jamaica. Authentic Jamaican food will be cooking, family. So make sure you pull up and show up. So we're gonna go to his farm to get some callaloo, and then we go to the market to get the food stuff. You know what I mean? You know, a lot of stuff I have to put into this. As I said, Jam Tours is going on the authentic Jamaican side. So let's go. Yeah, family. So as I said to you guys, I was going on my Kenyan brother farm to pick up some greens, family. As you know, Jam Tours are always trying to go the healthier way. VeganChoiceFoods.com. Check it out. So I want to do some fresh callaloo for the Mother's Day event. So we're at our brother farm. Yeah. And we just stopped by to actually come and get some callaloo. As you know, callaloo grow in the wild. That's why we like it, family. So, you know what I mean? Let's go, family. Let's go. So as you can see, guys, wild callaloo right here growing. So we come at that in your spot. Right from the farm to your plate. Right from the farm to your plate. Yeah, come on now, what's up? You have a nice terere. You cut them for me already? Yeah, man, the time. Catch up with me, man. Sorry about that. Eh? Thank you for coming. Yeah. Farmer going good, man. Well, as I can see. Okay. What's this? Beetroot. Oh, beetroot. Yeah. So what's up? You cut the thing already? No, the greens. I know I want the soft one, them I call that one over there, so.
What is what? This is terere.
Yeah, the terere I want.
Okay, so we've got more there. So do you want the really big ones, the wild ones?
Yeah, the wild one. Give me the wild one.
Okay,
our brother come on, a family. Okay. Talk to them, come on, and let them know that if they come into Kenya and want to get into farming, we have a farming society that can help you. Okay. You know what I mean, to accomplish your goal with information and things.
Hello.
Afternoon, sir. How you doing?
I'm fine, thanks.
Finally.
Yeah.
And make it to your farm.
Alright.
So, yeah, so if you guys come into Kenya, we have a farming community. I just want you to know that, family. So link up with Jam Tours for the connection. We have meeting right here every Saturday. So, what's this? Sweet potato?
Yeah, this is sweet potato.
Yeah.
That's the cassava.
Yes,
cassava, right?
Yeah, that's the indigenous cassava. That one's going to take about a year.
Yeah, man.
Really?
Yeah. Okay, but you guys eat the leaves?
Cassava?
Cassava leaves?
Or they can eat, but we don't. Jamaica, they eat.
Huh?
Yeah.
Cassava leaf, yeah.
Yeah. Okay. With coconut milk. Okay, so that's your amaranth.
Amaranth, I want to get this one. I'll cut this one. Cut this one up, slogan.
Some wild ones. You see those big ones over there?
Yeah,
Don't worry, you'll get them.
I'll let the guy cut them for me.
Okay, we also have some, what do you call the leeks?
The leeks.
What's that?
The leeks. It's an onion.
Oh.
Onion?
Yes.
Oh, spring onion.
But locally we use them to flavor our samosas.
Okay. Yeah.
These are the leeks. Okay, these ones I don't know whether they're ready, but these ones are like this one.
These are scallion.
Okay.
Scallion. Yeah, man, these are ready.
They are.
Yeah, these are ready.
They are. Okay. We have.
I don't know if the onion is there, but I know the top part is ready.
Okay.
Yeah, it's tough to smell.
Yeah. This is how we cook scallion. With time.
Scallion and
I
thyme.
don't know what you guys call kunde.
Oh, kunde.
This is also a vegetable.
Yeah, vegetable.
Also very good. We call it kunde.
This is kunde.
Yeah, this is kunde.
What is it produce? In the produce of fruit or nothing? Just the leaves?
Just leaves. They are the veggies, you know.
Alright.
The way you would cook your spinach or steam your spinach.
Yeah.
Okay. This one we sold. There's your comfrey.
Oh,
Okay.
comfrey.
Right there.
Oh, okay.
You know the mukimo?
Yes, mokimo.
Yeah,
Come from that.
That one.
Okay.
So we're mixing it.
So you use this to cook the mokimo.
Yeah,
Comfrey.
but it's very bitter. You do not cook it like an ordinary vegetable. It is very bitter.
Yeah.
But surprisingly, when I had made my veggies, the taste was so strong. I decided just to leave it in the fridge. It's like, go bad so I can throw you away. After 1 week, can you imagine? It was still good. So this must have some kind of
Preservative in it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, it was still good. It was still fresh.
Yeah.
Okay, here's your mint.
Yes,
Oh,
yes.
mint. Let me smell some mint. Peppermint.
Say hi to David.
Hey, David.
How are you doing?
up?
See you on the work. Bless up, man.
Bless up, David.
Yo,
Yeah, man.
bless the pie.
Now this one, I don't know what you call it in your language. Okay, this is the African
Nightshade. Yeah, nightshade.
Is it the nightshade? Or is it the spider? We call it, no, an African nightshade is manago. This is a spider plant.
I know this one, but I don't know the name for
It's
it.
called, we call it saga.
Saga.
Saga in Kenya.
Spider plant.
Yeah, the spider plant. Okay. Now the spinach does not do too. When it rains a lot, the spinach it likes a lot of sun. So the last few weeks have
So
really
the more
damaged
rain
my
is,
spinach. Yeah,
so spinach actually likes sun.
it likes sun. Okay, more sun than rain.
Oh, okay.
Spinach has been doing very well.
Yeah.
Okay.
More
Now-
sun than rain.
Okay. Now the African nightshade. This is the managu, the damn birds. They are attacking. This is the 5th time.
Oh, they
they're
like to
attacking.
eat this thing.
Yes, they like it.
These are pro.
All right. Now getting
If birds eating this thing, it is very healthy. But anything the birds eat, that
Yeah.
should be eaten.
this is the only thing that the birds eat here. Is
This
the
one.
And yet this is one of the most popular vegetables that we have in the country.
Oh, wow.
Right? Yes. This is my 4th time trying to grow it, and the birds keep on.
You need to put a shade, like something over it, or like a...
Yeah.
Put a crow.
So, yeah.
Yeah. So what I'm going to do?
Is that fast?
So what I'm doing, I'm reorganizing the whole garden. We're just going to concentrate on 5 kinds of vegetables. My cabbages are not doing well. My green peppers are not doing well.
How come?
My carrots are not doing well, although some of them are ready. If you want some organic carrots, so we can have some for you.
Carrots, you ready?
Okay, yeah, some of them are ready. So this is your other, what do you call it? Your other amaranth. Okay.
Oh, amaranth. Okay.
Right. Cabbage, purple cabbage.
Yeah.
That it's not. It does. This is the 3rd time I'm trying. It has not succeeded. They always fail, and I don't
What
know
happened?
why. I don't know.
So this is the amaranth family.
Yeah.
So this one.
All this.
Okay. See, it's kind of different from the wild one. You see its slogan.
Yeah.
But it's still nice.
But this is the wild one.
It's
No, I'll show you the wild one.
but this one is kind of wild in a way, but it's just because the soil is there.
Yeah. You
The soil.
know the one in Jamaica, bigger leaf. Just
Yeah,
like
yeah.
The first one we saw over there.
Yeah.
See, even the birds. Okay, this is a wild one. That's a wild amaranth.
Yeah, it's
okay?
the leaf bigger family. So
And
you
we
know
also
the
have
wild.
some wild ones here.
Yeah. Come on, when the guy cut them.
The color that we have in Jamaica.
No, let me show you
Leaves
around so
are
you
like
can
fat.
choose. Let
Yeah.
me show you around, and then we can.
Yeah.
Oh, he hasn't been here before.
Oh yeah.
Oh, some more here.
Yeah, this is a wild one. It's a wild.
Yeah, man.
See, go outside. Outside.
Because that's what you're taking.
Yeah, I want the wild one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, this is the
Funny enough, in Jamaica we don't eat the wild ones. We never eat it. Yeah, never in Jamaica we do not eat the wild carlos. So here, actually, it can heat. Just like pumpkin leaf. In Jamaica, we don't eat
we have
leaf.
pumpkin leaf.
A lot of pumpkin leaf on the other
I
side.
wasn't looking. But I'm going to check that one fast.
So I'm just showing you around.
Yeah.
Okay, so we have that tree there. My flower has gone. Okay.
What happened to it?
The rains.
Oh.
Yeah, the floods. Okay. Now you can tell me this sweet potato has been growing and not one for the last 5 months. Nothing.
Wild
Not
no.
one.
It's wild.
Okay.
So I'll give you some more time. How long does sweet potato take?
It's 3 months.
3 months.
Wild
Okay.
sweet potato. Can't kill it. Kill it.
It's wild.
Yeah, man sweet potato. They call it man.
Not,
In a grow.
You don't grow nothing.
Man.
Yeah,
Like man guinea.
Yeah, man tree and woman tree, you know.
Yeah, man. Yeah.
just sucking up the nutrients.
Man
You can see
guinea.
how healthy it is, right?
Yeah, it's sucking up all the nutrients.
Very healthy. There's nothing in it.
We can eat the leaf, you know.
Yeah,
man,
here's another
the
one.
leaf.
Wild.
Oh.
You see, there's your wild one. You see,
Big.
we've got quite a few wild ones here.
Yeah.
Okay, so this one is actually not wild. It was planted. This sweet potato was actually planted. So I bought the seedlings.
Actually planted still.
Yes.
Yeah, but the seed.
Maybe the seed not good.
Seed are good.
Okay. So here are your chilies.
Here are some bird pepper family. You know, jam tours, we love bird pepper.
Okay.
Bird pepper, we can even eat it raw. Slogan, can you eat a raw pepper, dog?
No, you like that one.
Can you eat a pepper?
No, you know raw pepper.
It's almost this is now. If you
Okay.
have come a little bit earlier, this is totally wild. This is totally wild.
Chili pepper.
Okay, you have
Good for your heart.
And you have scallion.
Very nice scallion.
This is the scallion that we use in Jamaica.
Very nice one. Yeah.
This is the one we use in Jamaica, the scallion, the purple scallion.
Mm.
We use the white scallion also, but this one have more flavor than the white scallion. Purple scallion. When you beat it, you can taste it by your pork and your red meat.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
this one has. This is not celery. This is what you call it.
Let me tell you what this is.
This is Dania.
Cilantro, yeah, cilantro.
Okay.
I call it Dania here, not true?
You hear it like Dania?
Now let me call you. This is your garlic.
Oh, garlic. This is garlic. That's what garlic, bro.
You got to grow.
that.
Just like that. And then there, pull it
Maybe
up.
another 3-4 months.
Where's ready?
This one a little bit longer because we planted it much later.
This one.
Yeah, so from here to there.
The greatest thing is you guys will get in the water.
We have enough water.
Okay, water,
We have
Yeah.
enough, and you can see the
Pipes. Yes.
another one of your wild. We're gonna clean that one.
Yeah, man, clean all of them. You clean them up.
So the peppers also are not just
Pepper a bone, pepper hot.
If you see any that are still good, you can have those ones.
Oh, wow. Sweet pepper.
Alright?
Okay.
Then you have, of course, your herbs, your, what do you call rosemary.
Because some of them herbs have to use.
I don't see the rosemary.
Now, okay, so you have your, what do you call that? That's
Thyme.
yeah, your thyme.
That's thyme right
What
there.
else time it is?
Yes,
Thyme.
For real.
Yeah, family. So if you're watching this, you know fertile the land is. So come out.
In fact, the thyme is ready. You can see how properly it's really grown.
Yeah, man. That one. That one is ready.
Oh, that shit is really good. Now, okay, we have our peppermint.
Peppermint.
Yeah, peppermint. Okay.
Rosemary.
Yeah, and rosemary. Okay. So on this side now, another field one. We have managu and the kunde seems to be doing very well. We've planted managu.
Is it ready?
Here. Yeah, the kunde is ready.
Oh, cool.
And we have the what do you call it? The spider plant.
Oh, spider plant. This is this one.
Now the cabbages, I don't know what's going on. They have failed time and time again.
Really?
I
Not
don't
because of the
know
rain?
why. I just don't know why.
You're doing something to the ear.
Huh?
Not they're spraying chemical in the ear.
No,
Oh, them killing it.
I don't know what it is. Okay, and here your pumpkin leaf.
Yeah, a lot of pumpkin. We carry some pumpkin leaves. So some pumpkin leaf.
Okay, yeah, get the pumpkin leaf on that side. Okay, the ones out in the sun, they seem to be turning yellow and stuff like that. You can have all the pumpkin leaves that you want. So you have the pumpkin leaves.
Yeah.
Don't grow the fruit.
Ah, really? I never know that.
I think so.
Because
Those
not yes and on a pumpkin
ones that
slogan,
have
look.
the white kind of stripe, they're usually very big. But they can still be eaten. The locals prefer the small ones on that side. But anyway, it's for you. These are all organic. All of them are organic. So
Everything is organic.
Yeah.
Everything here is organic.
You guys want to have a farm like come one here? He's giving us a small tour around his farm.
Yeah.
He's doing very well. We respect that, we like that, and we need to purchase
But
this
it is
land.
not easy. You put
What
all
is
the
it?
right inputs.
Is this like half acre?
No man, this is a
No, actually all this is an acre, but because you know it's expensive doing farming, so this is about half an acre.
Half an
right
acre.
here where we stand up.
Yeah, until you see where the trees reach?
Yeah.
Yeah, all that side, this is half an acre.
Oh, from trees to here.
Yes,
Half an
it
acre.
is, and it's bloody expensive.
Trust me, I know it's expensive in
It
this
is
area.
expensive.
Around here it's expensive.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah, man, yeah, look,
so 1 acre will be like double time this.
1 acre here is expensive.
I know that.
Yeah.
I know.
as you can see guys, it's right around the
Because it's a get it estate.
yeah.
Davey.
Yeah, family. So we're gonna get some greens, you know, for the Mother's Day event. You guys getting fresh. We want our mothers to live longer, so we try to give them the healthiest and keep healthy. So that's what Jam Tours is about.
Check out your food wise online.
Yeah,
Purchase the stuff.
yeah, man.
Check out Jam Tour.
Vegan choice.
Vegan
food.
choice.
Vegan
You can
choice.
see everything we're trying to do is healthy, organic place. We are the farm. Now we're going to do all picking. For tomorrow's Mother's Day brunch event. It's going to be a good day. Fresh vegetables, fresh greens, fresh food. Even the meat is fresh.
Yeah, fresh.
So
Cut
be healthy these days. Check out vegan choice.
choicefoods.com.
Yeah, veganchoicefood.com. Eat
Yeah.
healthy. You shake, you drink. What you put in is what represents you.
Eh? Yeah. What you saying now? Come on, huh?
Okay, sorry, what else are you? Okay, you're having the terrain, what else?
You want anything slogan?
Me?
The pumpkin leaf. The pumpkin leaf.
Pumpkin leaf,
leaves.
the callaloo.
Uh-huh.
You want pepper?
Yeah, we need to get some chili pepper, right?
Chili pepper.
Chili pepper.
And what about the sweet pepper we have there?
Scallion.
Sure, if there's any left.
Yeah,
You
yeah,
can
yeah.
take whatever is there.
Okay.
Scallion.
Scallion, yeah.
Scallion is what?
It's like you spring onion.
Oh, you mean the leek? We call them the leeks.
Or you can take leeks over there, purple ones.
Yeah.
So far you have everything. So I don't know what else might need.
Okay.
Yeah, I think I have everything.
Okay, have a seat.
You have rosemary and stuff like that.
Yeah.
Rosemary, is it ready? But you'll come. I will come with you. And you.
Maybe it's not ready.
Alright, family, so we're gonna go and get these greens. You know what I mean? While I try to finish my bird pepper. Yeah, fam, so down now.
Wild one. Okay. Tell them how much kilos
Of what?
of greens you want.
For example, the color green.
How much kilo will work slogan? 5 kilo?
5 kilo.
5
What you
kilo.
gonna use can vary at
Eh?
5 kilo whole kilo.
Leeks?
Eh?
How many leeks do you want?
I don't got 3 kilo.
How many leeks do you
Yeah.
want?
What's leeks?
The onion, that big.
Onion.
Oh.
Yeah.
Scallion, is it scallion?
Scallion, yeah.
Scallion.
We can use, which one are you gonna give us? This one, the white one, or the red one?
No,
Can I mix them up?
No, just a minute now. Okay, now, those big ones are there. Don't mistake them for spring onions. Spring onions are the ones that
It's a
are
small one.
Yes, those ones.
Yeah.
But these are scallions.
What we call leeks, yeah.
Leeks, yeah.
Yeah.
So,
The leeks have got a certain kind of flavor. You don't
Yes.
use them to cook like you would onions. Those
Ah.
are just for flavor.
Different flavor.
we use both of them the same way. You chop them up and sprinkle with the food, aroma, the flavor, or we can cook it in the
Flavor
food.
is that one right there.
Yeah.
Okay, but we'll
But
also
that one
add-
have more flavor than this one, you know.
Okay,
Yeah, the purple one. The purple one is more stronger than this one.
okay, fine. Let me change it.
Yeah, man. Yeah, come on, so. Yeah, man, respect and, you know what I mean, take us on the farm.
Between me and you, you don't have to record that.
Yeah, family, so I'm gonna smell some lemongrass straight from the farm. Yeah, man, so nice. Yeah, so nice.
Natural.
Natural.
So after this, we just have one more.
What's
your
that?
Pumpkin.
Pumpkin, yeah.
Pumpkin
Leaves, yeah.
Okay.
All right.
Everything-
You give me some chili.
Oh yeah, we've got lots of
A lot of chili.
A lot.
Yeah.
Do you need any peppermint? No.
No. Yeah, man, this is fine.
Okay. How much more lemongrass?
That's fine. That's
This is
fine. Yeah. All right, family. So if you guys need to come to Kenya and do farming, we have the plan layout for you. So just link up with us. You know what I mean? The community is here for you. Utilize it. So jam tours out. One love. Bless. Continue watching this video. Like, share and comment. Check out One Love Africa page. I'm there with me. I'm at the chef today. So you know what I mean? Check him out. We're out. One love. Bless. Jamaica. Boom. Yeah, family. So this is everything where we get us. So come on and leave them out for we know.
Okay. So you have your leeks. What do you call them? You have your leeks,
onions.
okay, and then you have
scallion.
your scallions. Okay. You have your chilies.
Yeah.
Okay. You have your peppers. What do you call them? The green
bell
peppers.
peppers, yeah.
Bell peppers. You have your rosemary.
Yeah.
You have your pumpkin leaves. You have your sweet potatoes. Okay.
Yeah.
You have your, what do you call your kalaloo?
Hello.
Okay. You have on this one, I'm giving you guys a sample.
Sample.
Yeah, this one a free sample. Okay, I'm not gonna charge you for this. He picked out some comfrey.
Yeah.
To make into for some tea.
Yeah.
Okay.
Cleanse.
Okay. We have kunde. I don't know what you call it in English. Kunde. Okay. And you have the spider plant.
Oh, the spider plant.
Yes. These ones now are for you guys to try out. If you like them, you know exactly where you can go.
Yes.
And
Yeah.
Okay, and what else? Did I miss anything? No. Okay. And yet, yes, again, it must be said these are all organic.
Yeah, organic.
No chemicals used.
No chemical use. All organic, family. You hear that? So you better know that.
Yeah.
All organic, straight from your farm, straight to your Mother's Day plate. This is what Jam Tours is giving you via vegan choice foods, healthy living, the way to go. All right, slogan. Give us channel a shout out. One Love Africa, we there.
Watch it now. You know it's slogan, aka Ricardo, representative of One Love Africa. So make sure you guys are pleased if you guys can actually go on my channel, subscribe, see my videos. If you like my comment, share it to other people so they can see what's going on. We're trying to make it work. We're trying to show you guys everything. We're not hiding anything from you guys. So anything you want to see, reach out to me. Reach out to Jam Tour. It's number one, not ONE's, number one, LOVE, Love Africa. Go and check it out. Please subscribe, share, comment, and watch the videos.
We are out, family.
Yes.
Bless Jamaica. I'm out. Come on, huh?
Yep.
We have to tell the people when I come to Kenya.
Come to Kenya. What else? Come and enjoy the good
Karibu
food.
sana.
Yeah, Karibu sana. Come and enjoy the good sun. Come and enjoy the coastline. We too also have a coastline just like we have in Jamaica.
Yeah.
Mombasa. Come and enjoy that too. So when you come to Kenya, you're not going to miss very much.
Yeah, you're not going to miss much.
You're not going to miss much. Okay? Yeah.
All right, family. This is Jam Tours Africa signing out. One love, bless Jamaica. I'm out.
Give us like
5 then?
5.
Okay.
5. Yeah.
Leeks. This is leeks.
Well, we're to make the jerk sauce, the jerk seasoning and stuff like that.
You know, say the other day slogan come to me.
What you guys call samosas, you call them beef pate. Yeah.
No. Beef patty is different. Very different. Avocado. Let's say, how did you?
No, I have to say something to you. Let me say it to you off camera. Yeah, man. So, as you can see.
You just bring it back?
I hope it does.
Normally, when you cut this, it grows. As long as the root grow back.
Okay.
So you can't even cut it to make it grow.
Okay.
Alright, family.
Nice.
Let's
Go
go.
and pick some scallion. Hey, come here.
Escallion.
This five?
Yeah. No. Yeah, this one. Oh,
Okay. Take the keys.
Yeah, throw that. Throw it slow, guys.
Your key?
Yeah.
this is your key.
I can walk with this.
Pull it, son.
Yeah, man.
This is good. I can walk with this.
Okay, no problem.
This is light, so I can carry it for children. Farming and the farmyard. Let me talk something like this here come. Build. Abby,
Yeah.
come together between us. Come together. By here, Carla.
Yeah, man, that we need for them, dog.
Start build.
Yeah.
Oh, you get the price that's there. You should cut it off.
Well, cut it once we know the rains have come. You can see them flowering.
Yeah.
When it becomes the fruits.
Really blossom. Pumpkin blossom.
We have more, you can see over there, we have more
Cassava.
I'm looking for compost. You see all the waste. So it's very painful sometimes, but it has shrunk,
Yeah.
okay, but all the waste comes here. So
Right there.
I intend on making a compost too.
Okay.
Yeah. In fact, yeah, it has really shrunk, so it means
It's getting there.
yeah, it's getting
Kill.
I'm good near there. I want to pack some for my yard. You have a... Yeah, wait, yeah. Yeah, those small bag, we can put let's put those things in that one. Yeah.
yeah, like
We just put everything there. Slogan, you're gonna take those greens, right?
yeah, these are the greens that I'm doing.
You want those?
I'll show you them out.
Yeah.
Must have some leaves.
You want some pumpkin leaf too?
No, I want to pick some leaf, man.
Eh?
Yeah, I want Chris to have
Pumpkin leaf.
everything. Piece of rosemary, scallion.
Yeah.
August we just start them out. Where blue bag there?